Hello, I'm Tutor Nick. Welcome to Lesson 22. In this lesson, we're going to hear a shopping conversation. After this, I will repeat some sentences for you to practice. I have linked an exercise in the description below. The solution will be linked in Lesson 23. Let's go.
Excuse me, do you need any help?
No, thank you. I am fine. I am just looking.
That shirt's in the sale. Today's the last day.
Oh, right. Well, I like the colour.
It's €20 in the sale. The normal price is 40.
Oh, okay. That's quite good. Oh, that jacket is nice. How much is it?
That's half price too. It's €120. It's leather, made in Italy. Would you like to try it on?
Oh, yes. I like it a lot. It is too good.
Yeah, I think it suits you.
Oh, really? Well, okay then. I'll take it.
And the shirt as well?
Well, what size it is?
It's a medium. I'm sure it'll fit you and it will go very nicely with the jacket.
Okay. I will take the shirt as well. Now I'm going to show you some typical sentences that a shop assistant might say to you in a shop. I want you to listen carefully and then repeat. No, I'm sorry. We haven't got this t-shirt in medium. Yes, here you are. We've got your size. We've got this jacket in brown, but not in black. I'm afraid we haven't got it in blue, but we've got it in green. These jeans are in the sale. They're half price. Yes, you're in luck. This is the last pair we've got, and they're in your size. And now, here are some more sentences that might be used by the shop assistant or by you in a shopping trip. Once again, listen carefully and repeat. I've left a 10-second gap for you. Do you need any help? That jacket's in the sale. What size do you want? Thank you, I'll take it. How much is this hat? Are these shoes in the sale? Where's the cash desk? Can I pay by cheque? Do you have this shirt in medium? Where are the changing rooms, please? If you've come this far and you've been practicing, well done. In the next lesson, we'll learn some more shopping phrases and how to show that we understand what is being said. Until then, bye-bye. If you find the lessons helpful, please subscribe.